Hey guys, Titanic in 1912 here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, you might notice that I have this Cobi Titanic. You also might notice that it is extremely dusty. So, in this video is going to be a part 1 of 3. I'm going to be disassembling this down. Now I've got 5 bins here. The one I have right here is for accessories. The other 4 right here are for the main bit of the ship. So yeah.
Do you want a slice of pizza for lunch?
Nah. So I'm gonna be disassembling this, and we're gonna start right now.
Oh, there's only one.
So to start off with, we're gonna put this back bit, which looks like a traffic cone, and all these railings and just all the general accessory-like bits into the accessory bin. So it'll look a lot different once all the accessories are removed. And I'm gonna put some of the smaller bricks in there too. So, now, you might be thinking, hey kid, you forgot a brick separator. And I did. But that's because I won't be needing a brick separator until much later when I get to some of the harder to separate parts. Also, might I just mention that this Cobi brick is a exact copy of a Lego 1x6. Just think about that for a little bit while I disassemble this with all its accessories. These coming off. But yeah. So I have some plans for the future. Specifically, my next video is going to be how to put cork roadbed down on your HO scale layouts, like how to glue it down and stuff. So that's gonna be coming out later this month, and then after that, there's gonna be how to nail down your HO scale track. And I'm using old Tyco track, so it's kind of different from the modern track we know of today, and there are a lot of differences. Really, one of the main differences is a lot of modern track comes pre-ballasted, or at least has some form of fake ballast that goes along with it. And all that is not what I'm for. I am not for, that fake ballast stuff. I mean, it's just kind of ridiculous, in my opinion, that we have to rely on model train companies to put the ballast there for us. Now, as you can see, I'm taking the funnels off. And yeah, I also kind of want to discuss another important thing about the model railroading community. I am not into Hornby. I'm an American, an American YouTuber, and Hornby just is not the thing I'm into. But I am going to be getting a Hornby train later this year. It's going to be a Hornby Hogwarts Express. Because, no American company makes one that's readily available. Well, right at this very moment. So, that's one thing for the future that's going to be coming up eventually. Oh, and once I'm done with the HO scale layout, I'm going to start a second layout in N scale, which is going to be a model of the Santa Fe Cajon Pass. Yes. And you might just see you might just see a video that I kind of have been wanting to do for a little bit. On there. Well, you know, if you get it loose, even Cobi bricks can be separated with your teeth. If you get them loose enough. And some of you watching this may know that I what?
Open those blinds and turn off those lights, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just need to do something real quick. Hopefully this doesn't mess with the quality of it. No. Sun's coming in now. So, yeah, so I'm gonna be this is probably messing with the quality of the video. As you can see, I've got all the accessories in there, plus a few small pieces. Next up, I'm going to be doing all these little tans. So, yeah. And also, once I'm done, and I have plans for once I'm done with the end scale layout too, but that's a topic for the next video. So, the next one of these that I do. So, this video, you might be wondering, why do I have a knockoff Lego set? Why do I have a Cobi set? It's simply because back when I was in 3rd grade a few years ago in 2016, I was really into the Titanic, like real into it. And I really just loved everything about the Titanic. And my parents got me this one Christmas. And I have one other Cobi set, and it's a Cobi tank. But I really kind of don't like that Cobi tank because it falls apart way too easily. But that's just what you get with Lego knockoffs. Ugh. Yeah, this thing is disgustingly dirty. Jeez. So, yeah. But, I really do think that Cobi is a decent company when it comes to making plastic bricks. The bricks are just a direct rip-off of Legos, but sometimes if you want something that the main original company doesn't make, then you just kind of got to deal with whatever you can get. Oh, and if you're in the Lego community, you may have heard of the fact that Lego is making a Razor Crest set, and I am happy to say that I have it on pre-order, that Razor Crest, and what I'm even happier to say is that not one, but 2 free promotions are coming with it. The 40th anniversary train is one of them, and the other is something to do with Lego dots. And I just realized I missed some accessories. And so, yeah. I have the Razor Crest on pre-order. That's super nice. And, of course, I already told you about the 2 free promotions. But there's something else but I want to talk about something that came out a few months back. The Disney train. I really like the look of it. and I really wanted to get it when it came out, but $330 was just kind of too much for me. So I am not going to be buying that anytime soon, that's for sure. But anyways, we've gotten to the part where I need a brick separator for some of these bricks. But there is a tiny bit more I can do without the brick separator. And I will do that stuff that tiny bit more right now. And yeah, I've kind of just been putting this off for a while because I never really thought about, how dusty the display stuff can get when it sits on a shelf for months on end. But now I'm kind of super conscious about how the stuff I have on display looks, because I mean, like you want stuff to look good when it's on display, because people are going to be seeing it. And then this is the biggest of the 3 Titanic models I have up there. The other 2 are non-Lego. No, in fact, they're not even rip-offs of Lego. They're just a regular generic model. One of them is a 1:1000 scale model that I got in 2017, and the other is a bigger model that I found at a Goodwill, surprisingly. And the bigger model is, I tried to do it, but I didn't listen to my dad's tips. I did it the way I wanted to, and it ended up not looking that good. The yellow paint I used for the yellow stripe ended up kind of running down the side, and I kind of just, and the back mast got broken, so that's gonna be, I'm gonna make a video on my collection of Titanics soon, once I've gotten this thing all completed, neatly, disassembled and cleaned. So that's gonna be nice. Also, I found a way to make this split. Which, when I reassemble it, I'll show you guys that. And it has something to do with the construction of the ship. It doesn't split between the 3rd and 4th funnel like I kind of wish it did. Because that's the theory I believe. But, yeah. Anyways, I finally got to the point where I need a brick separator. And I just realized there's even more accessories I forgot. Not the propellers on the back. Oh, I just took the entire back off. So I'm going to go upstairs now and grab a brick separator. And, yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and yeah, so I've just been kind of thinking a lot about some of the things, kind of the future of this channel, and when you see, by the time you see this video, I've already been, by the time you see this video, sorry if I'm stuttering a little. course I grabbed a brick separator that doesn't work properly. The brick separator has a pretty rough edge, so it doesn't work very well. Ow. Oh boy. My next video will be cleaning off all these pieces of this set. Okay, my brick separator is not working. Momo! Can you come help me get some of these bricks off? If my brick separator isn't working. Also, might I just point out that there's the orange brick separator isn't the only color of brick separator. It's the most modernly used one, but other colors exist, like there are green brick separators. There's even. Yeah. Look at this front piece. It does not look like the Titanic's front at all. Looking at it straight on, it does. But looking at it... Hey, Alex. Working on disassembling this Titanic. Can you help me get these tan bricks off? My friend just came.
Disassembling it.
I noticed it was super dusty, and I'm gonna be disassembling it to clean it. But I'm filming right now. Yeah. Camera. Hope you're okay with that. Hope you're okay with being on YouTube.
Dude, it's yours.
Later. Hope you're okay with being on YouTube later. You are, right? Mm-hmm. Good. I was just talking about the future of my channel. And talking about how these Cobi bricks are an exact copy of Legos. Except for a few small details. Like, yeah. And I was just talking about how this does not... Yeah, I tried that brick separator.
Are you still filming?
Yes.
Okay.
So, anyways, yeah. My friend just came over. So, there's one of them.
These things are dirty.
I know. It's been sitting up on that shelf for months, and I just noticed how dirty it was this morning. So, yeah. And can I talk to my YouTube viewers for real quick? So, anyways, also, I have plans for making a video about building a particular Lego set. That it's one you'll have to guess what it is, but it's a red passenger train. You'll have to guess what set number it is. Whoever gets it right in the comments will get nothing. So yeah, Hey, Alex. Do you think that this video will be popular on my YouTube channel?
Oh.
Okay. You don't know? Oh, that's okay then.
Jesus.
I wonder what would happen, and if happen if Star Wars characters went shopping, and Star Wars is owned by Disney. They bought it up from Lucasfilm. moment. I don't know who owns Lucasfilm.
Lucas.
Lucas. George Lucas. Yeah, George Lucas owns Lucasfilm.
Cobi.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Interesting. So yeah, this is it. I'm separating this into 5 containers: accessories, and the 4 others are main colors. This is one of the main colors, you can see, because it nearly fills up the entire bin. And the funnels are in the accessories bit because they're not really that important on this chunk of the ship. And so, yeah. You want to help me with the next bin? Next bin will be the bin of whites.
Yeah, I'll do whites. If you want to do blacks and reds.
Okay, I'll do blacks. Next one. So yeah. This is my YouTube. So yeah. And anyone who's been doing a YouTube channel for even a few years knows that you always celebrate your marks. My best achievement so far is being on YouTube for a little under 3 years. I'll be having my 3-year anniversary this September, which is going to be epic. I'm going to make a special video, just for that. It'll be coming out on the day that I started my YouTube channel. Also, I'm going to be starting a new series called Building It Bag by Bag. It's going to be where I take Lego sets that I've had for years now, that I just haven't shown on you guys, and building them up after I've disassembled them, and building them up bag by bag, just like the name implies. So yeah, and
these are really stuck together.
I just think that the YouTube community is a very good community. When it comes to helping new YouTubers, and that just dropped right off. And I mean, I don't have very many subscribers, only like 12, but but I'm gonna be making some videos that hopefully will get my subscriber count up. Some of which I've already told you guys about. Need to borrow this brick separator real quick. Oh, there's some more tans on there. You can just set them in the tan bin.
They're more like beige.
Beige, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, I'm now starting on the reds. You need to take this bit. Oh no. Oh dear. That wasn't meant to happen. In spite of how big the underwater section was on the real Titanic, that was the red section, this model doesn't have a lot of red head in it.
Yeah.
And that's simply because it's meant to look like it's floating in. I did not do a good job with this black bit. In fact, there's even a few red brick. There's a red brick in the black bit. Anyways, yeah. So, we're almost done. We're almost to the end of the video now. Oh, and my next video I'll be filming and uploading tomorrow. So, and it'll be from cleaning these bricks. Next, which is something that I really kind of need to do. Considering how dusty these things are. They're super dirty. So anyways, yeah, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're new, and anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.